first step of my skincare routine consists of me cleansing my face. So what I like to use for that is my Origins Checks and Balances, and that's this right here. It's a frothy face wash. So what I like to do is take a dab of it, rub it into my face. I don't like to wet my face first. I like to keep it dry and then go in with my spin brush. I feel it's best when your face is dry to apply your cleanser and then go in with a wet spin brush. I just think that's the easiest way to get your makeup and everything off quicker. I feel like it's more, you're just cleaning your face more thoroughly. So that's what I'm gonna do now. You don't really need a lot. You really just need like a dime size, if that. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I pretty much just rub it in almost like it's a moisturizer. So I like to rub it in and just make sure that it gets over everything, and then I go in with a spin brush using this one I got off of Amazon. It's just pretty much a simple one that's interchangeable. You can swap these out for everything. So turn this on. I like to wet it. Don't forget to do your neck. I feel like people forget to do that all the time, and you're prone to breaking out on your neck when you're trying to blend everything in and do all that. But yeah, so I pretty much just scrub. I'm gonna go wash this off, and then I'll be back with my next few steps. Now that my face is all clean and dry and cleansed and all that, I like to go in with my Mario Badescu Aloe, Herbs, and Rose Spray. Can you see that? It's just the pink one. I know they have the green one, the purple one, and the pink one. I know the purple one's lavender. This one's the rose water one, and the other one's just aloe, I think. But yeah, so I do this. I like to moisturize my face after it's been cleansed. The next step is going to be my steam facial. I'm going to steam my face and prep it for a mask. So let's get into that. So once I'm done with my steam facial, I'll go in with my mask, and normally I will use my Clear Improvement Origins Charcoal Face Mask. But today I'm going to be using some aloe, which I got from the market, which is pretty fresh. What you want to do is just cut it up into small pieces, which I did, and kind of just use the inside and rub it all over your face. What aloe helps with is reducing any inflammation in the skin. It helps with eczema, psoriasis, acne. It's actually helped me clear up some dark marks on my face. So I like to alter between aloe, my charcoal mask, and any other mask that I find that helps with clearing up my skin. So I'm gonna go in and do that. With the aloe, there's different layers. So as you're rubbing the aloe in, it can get very dry. As you can see right here, it kind of gets a little dry. So you can just puncture it to the different layers because into the top layer. And you kind of just want to keep rubbing it around. I put it on my eyes to help with, yeah, just everything, your neck. Also put this in your hair. I know a lot of people will put aloe juice or use aloe as a hair mask, and since it's natural, you can pretty much put it anywhere. What I like to do is rub my face so it absorbs a little more. It also helps it dry a little quicker. And I'm gonna let this sit for about 15, maybe like 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back and moisturize. So now that I've washed off the aloe mask, I will go in with a moisturizer. And lately I've been using Glow Recipes watermelon juice, watermelon glow pink juice. So they have a moisturizer, and this works really good. It's very light. Because I have oily skin, I don't like to use anything that's really heavy or oily, and this is the perfect texture and consistency. So you can find this actually at Sephora. They also have a sleeping mask, and that's this one right here. So at nighttime I will use this, and during the day if I'm going out I will use this. It's really good under your foundation. It doesn't react differently if you put any foundation or primer on, so I like to use that. So today I'm going to be using the sleep mask, and it smells so good. A little bit of that, rub it on my fingertips and just rub it in. So with this, I like to sleep with it overnight, and in the morning I'll wash it off to be a lot more softer during the day, and just helps my makeup go on a lot smoother. I do this on my neck as well. And it doesn't really feel like a mask. It feels like a moisturizer, which it is. You can do it both ways, where you can leave it on for a little bit and then wipe it off, or you can literally sleep with it on overnight, and that's exactly what I plan to do and what works best for me. So yeah. So see, it's very, very, very lightweight. You don't really, it doesn't really leave behind any residue. So that is it for my skincare routine. Very simple, very easy. A lot of these products you can find locally around your stores, mainly Sephora, grocery stores for the aloe. Yes, I do suggest you staying consistent and finding something that works for you. Of course, drinking your water, cleaning your phone, your pillowcases, whatever, to have clean, acne-free skin. And yeah, just find what works for you. I'm not an expert, so these products that I found work best for me, that I've stuck with. So I suggest you do the same. If you have any tips or any other things that work best for you, let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. Please stay tuned for more beauty tips and tricks, and I'll see you guys next time.